Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-Carnitine powder effectively. L-Carnitine is a natural compound that plays a crucial role in energy production by transporting fatty acids into your cell's mitochondria. Using it in powder form allows for precise dosing and faster absorption, making it a popular supplement for those looking to support their metabolism and energy levels. Let's dive into the best practices for incorporating it into your routine. Finding the right dosage and timing is key for L-Carnitine powder. Most people start with 500 milligrams and can increase up to 2 grams per day, split into multiple doses. It's most effective when taken with a meal that includes carbohydrates, as insulin helps transport L-Carnitine into muscle cells. Consider taking it before your workout or with your largest meal for optimal benefits. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide on L-Carnitine powder helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, keep your home as clean as your supplement routine with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and perfect for pet owners. Check the description for a link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Mixing your L-Carnitine powder is quite straightforward and simple. You just need to add your measured dose to a glass of water, juice, or even your favorite smoothie. Make sure to stir it thoroughly until the powder is completely dissolved, which ensures optimal absorption. For the best results, consume the mixture immediately after preparation to maintain its freshness and potency. This method makes it very easy to integrate into your daily health routine. Beyond energy production, L-Carnitine offers several benefits. It can enhance exercise performance by improving fat utilization and may also assist with muscle recovery, reducing post-workout fatigue. While generally safe, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.